I'm going to be doing the onion juice treatment on my hair today. Hey boys and girls, kings, queens, thank you for clicking on the video. All my returning subscribers, thank you guys. If it's your first time here, I am the nappy hair obsession, and all my obsessions out there, thank you so much. So today, as I mentioned, I am going to be doing the onion juice treatment on my hair. But I'm going to first detangle my hair, because when the onions take long, the color turns, and I think it will have, I don't know, I just imagine it loses some of the special nutrients, because I'm going to be using the fresh onion. Yeah, so I'm going to detangle my hair first using my fingers. So as you guys have already seen by now, I'm going to be using coriander or parsley. I actually do not know what exactly that is, but I went to the market and bought parsley. Here we call it cornmeal. I actually thought it was wrong at first, but yeah, it's okay to call it cornmeal. Or you can use parsley, any herb that is in the parsley family. There are some other ones, maybe I'll insert a picture. So we shall use those. Meanwhile, I'm detangling my hair, finger detangling, you guys. About 2 weeks now, I have not been using combs on my hair because sometimes they tend to be harsh and they leave the scalp sore. So guys, by the way, these are my onions of choice. Any other onions, the big red onions, the white onions, they can equally do the same job, so you use whatever onions you have. The only disadvantage I saw with these onions is that getting the peeling off is a bit time consuming. So if you can't be patient with that, I would advise that you use the bigger red onions, because these ones it's really hard to get the final thing off. So my onion recipe, I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, you guys, and then I added some warm water, because I think the warm water helps everything infuse properly into it, so that the water contains all the sulfur and all those good nutrients in these things. And I blended them properly so that everything could mix and the spray bottle would work efficiently and the strands would be coated properly. I know I'm talking too much, but that's what I did. And then to my mixture, to a bowl, you add honey according to my length. I do not like to use too many things and get a leftover, so I added 3 teaspoons of this organic honey. Yep. Some people like to add garlic to their onion recipe, but I did not. Some people add pepper. The people I've seen use cayenne pepper, but sometimes your scalp might be easily irritated, so I did not add any sort of pepper to my things. So you guys, the major reason as to why I'm trying out this onion recipe is because I need my hair to get darker. I know, and I've seen people's hair get shinier and darker from using onion juice on their hair regularly. And you know, most of these organic things are not a one-time snap your finger miracle solution that will make your hair look nice, as most of the chemicalized things out there promise. You have to be consistent with these things. So I'm going to be using this rinse as much as I can, not as much as I can, but regularly, about once or twice a month. Yeah. So my recipe is yellow from the turmeric, you guys. I find it easy spraying this whatever thing I do on my hair using the spray bottle, but if you don't have one, you can always use anything. You can apply it direct from the bowl. So your question would be, why would anyone choose to start doing this? Is this just for fun? Is it a pastime? So most people who have suffered hair loss from different things, maybe it's traction alopecia because of tightness, thinning of edges, very many people have testified to onion juice helping regrow their hair. So you guys haven't noticed, but I have a patch around my edges on the right side where I have no hair growing because of some reasons. And so, believing that this onion juice will help my hair to grow back, I am trying it out. People try it for density, to increase their hair density. If you feel like your hair is too sparse and it has room for growth, of course it always has room for growth, but you have to believe while doing these things. You can try it out as well. It helps hair to grow thicker, to grow darker, to become shinier. It's just for the overall growth of hair. Someone might ask, can I use it every day? It is very healthy. It has no side effects to use this onion, apart from the stinkiness. I don't mean the smell, but some people do not like the smell. Some people do not want to be moving around someone giving you a hug and they can sense the smell of onions on your hair. So overall, I would recommend anyone who wants their hair to improve, the way it looks, whatever thing, onion juice would do good for you. And all the different onion types, not only these small onions that I use, but all the different onion types, because they provide extra sulfur to support strong hair, to make the hair thick. They prevent hair loss in that way. So after applying it to my hair, I had to cover my hair with a bag, a shower cup. You can use two, or a shower cup and a bag, or a bag alone, a plastic bag I mean. So you guys, I'm down here editing and I realized I did not inform you guys about what my next video would be. So sometime, I think about a week ago, someone asked me, and so I thought to myself, I obviously answered, but my answers were basing not on full research, but on what results I've experienced from the conditioners I have used, and not properly from research. So I sat down, did research on this. I still am doing research on this, and my next video is going to be explaining in details what a conditioner is, the different types of conditioners, the differences between the different conditioners, what to expect, how often you should use some of the conditioners, and all those good things. So if you're interested in knowing more things about conditioners, the differences, and everything that I'll be able to gather, you should watch out for my next video. This crazy hair is stay at home hair. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. God bless you.